A credit builder loan can help you build credit without using a credit card at all, while a secured card works like a regular credit card but needs a cash deposit up front. By the end of this, you'll know which one builds credit faster, costs less, and makes more sense for your situation. Here's the short answer first. If your goal is faster score improvement through regular card usage, secured cards usually move quicker. If your goal is forced savings and simple payment history, credit builder loans are often easier to manage. Start with how they work. A credit builder loan is backwards compared to a normal loan. You don't get the money up front. A lender locks the money in a savings account, and you make monthly payments first. After the term ends, usually 6 to 24 months, you get the money. Apps like Self and Credit Strong work this way. A secured card is simpler. You put down a deposit, usually between $200 and $500, and that becomes your credit limit. Then you spend on it and pay it off. Cards like Discover It, Secured or Capital One Platinum Secured are common examples. Now let's talk speed. Credit scores are built mainly on payment history and credit utilization. With a credit builder loan, you're building payment history only. That's useful, but limited. With a secured card, you build payment history and utilization at the same time. That matters because keeping your balance low shows lenders you can handle revolving credit. That's why secured cards usually have a stronger short-term impact. But there's a catch. Secured cards require discipline. If you max out a $200 limit and carry a balance, your utilization spikes, and your score can drop. A credit builder loan removes that risk because there's no spending involved. You just pay the fixed amount every month. Now look at cost. Credit builder loans often charge admin fees or interest. That means you may pay extra just to build history. Secured cards may have annual fees depending on the issuer, but some don't. Your deposit is refundable if you close the account in good standing. That makes secured cards cheaper in many cases. So which is better? Pick a credit builder loan if you struggle with spending or want a forced savings system. Pick a secured card if you can manage payments and want the fastest path to stronger credit. Quick recap. Secured cards usually build faster. Credit builder loans are lower risk, and costs depend on the lender. Your next step is simple. Check whether you need spending control or faster score growth. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point credit breakdowns.